when we have to create a Bezier curves mask, you have to create that using the pen tool. The pen tool is the main tool of this menu here, that you can see just clicking and maintain pushed your left mouse button, and this menu will appear. The main tool is the pen tool that allows me to go on the top of my image, and just clicking I'm creating some basic node that allows me to create the basic shape of my mask. When I want to, the first rule is that the shape has to be closed, and to close the shape you have just to go on the first node you have created, and if you can see on the right bottom corner of the icon there is a little ring. This means that you are closing your shape. Once you have created a closed shape, you can handle any node and transform them. What can you do to transform the node? First of all, you have two more tools available here inside. The first tool is the Add Vertex tool. In this way, in any line of your shape, you can, just clicking, you can create any additional node. In the same way, with the Delete Vertex tool, you can go in any node of your basic shape, and you can delete the node, just creating another line in between the previous and the next node. With the last tool, you can convert any node in Bezier curves. In this way, you have two more handles available to transform the shape of your mask. Now I have the convert tool, but it's not very useful, it's not very easy to manipulate the shape of your mask with this tool selected. Why? Because first of all, the two handles that control the node are linked together, but anytime I use this tool, I break up and I create again the relation between the two curves of the node. So there is a simple way to control all the nodes. First of all, I selected once again my pen tool. Because of the shortcut, I have to do this, because if I'm using, and you will see, another tool here inside, all my shortcut will be different. So I have to first select my selection tool here, and now with my selection tool I can go on top of any node of my shape and I can move it around. Or I can just select any handle and rotate all the curves. But if I want to break this relation between the two curves, I have to go once again on the other tool, the convert tool. But instead of selecting the tool from here, I just click on my control on the keyboard, and I can transform the shape of the mouse, and in this way I'm breaking the relation between the two curves. Just holding once again the control on the keyboard, I can create once again the relation. Using the control instead of on the handle, on the line, on the curves in this case, I can add another node that I can move around, of course. And holding the control on the keyboard and clicking on an existing node, I'm deleting the node. If I'm doing the same option with the same steps, if I'm following the same step with this tool here, anytime I click on control, I'm, as you can see, selecting this tool here. And so I don't have the opportunity to delete the node or to have all the same control that I'm having with the pen tool. So the opportunity to delete the node and to add the node in the same way.